Hello again, it's the summer solstice today, which means that the sun reaches a peak in its height above the northern hemisphere. Also reaching a peak is the current heat wave. Temperatures widely in the 30s across England and Wales, a chance that it will be the hottest summer solstice on record. Also a lower chance that it will be the hottest June day for 41 years. That takes us back to 1976. But inevitably, the thundery breakdown follows. Later Wednesday into Thursday morning as well, a risk of some intense thunderstorms in places. But for much of England and Wales, for Wednesday afternoon, it's just a case of strong sunshine and hot temperatures. Temperatures widely into the low 30s, and with the chance of 33 or 34 Celsius in London, it will be the hottest day of this heat wave. Cooler temperatures in the east and across the north, but as that cooler air starts to sink across the country over the course of the next 24 hours, we could see some very lively thunderstorms develop. First of all, the heat peaks over central parts of Britain, setting off some intense thunderstorms. If I pause it there at 8 p.m, you can see the extent of these thunderstorms across, say, the North Midlands and into northern England. I wouldn't take this too literally. It's just an area of risk. We have a yellow warning in force because this is the area where we could see some severe thunderstorms, a risk of large hail, intense rainfall and strong winds. Further north, there are also some heavy showers across central and northern Scotland. And through the night, we'll see those thunderstorms and heavy showers continuing. As I mentioned, could be some intense downpours, could be some large hail and gusty winds. But zooming out further south, it's drier. There'll still be some clear spells, but increasingly we'll see cloudier skies start to push in from the west. A lot of murkiness around these southwestern coasts. Some hill fog and some sea fog in places. It's a mild night though, another comfortable night for sleeping, particularly across southern areas where we'll see temperatures no lower than 22 or 23 Celsius. Now we begin Thursday with those thunderstorms clearing to the North Sea, and then our attention turns to southern areas, and once more there's a risk that we'll see intense downpours, hail and gusty winds across parts of East Anglia and the southeast of England through Thursday. This is tied in with a cold front crossing the country. That cold front brings in much fresher air, a return to average temperatures across most of the UK. So while we cling on to some warm air in the southeast on Thursday ahead of those thunderstorms, the rest of the country will enjoy, if that's the right word for it, a return to more average temperatures. A more comfortable night to come on Thursday night, and actually, for much of the country, Thursday evening promises plenty of late summer sunshine. It's not going to be a bad end to the day at all. However, a sign of more changeable weather on the way there across the northwest. Increasingly wet, increasingly windy across western parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Low pressure now starting to return to the UK.